Hey, Beth here with BL Paperworks. Today's project, I'm going to upcycle this, I guess it's a lantern. The top of it is a little smashed. I'm not sure what happened to that. My mom gave it to me and she put a scene in it with a house and car and snow and some live succulents, and well, I wasn't very good at keeping the plants alive, so I'm going to redo it. This lantern is made of metal and glass, and I am going to texturize the finish with some Saltwash. I'm going to use DIY paint and crinoline, and then I'm going to, with the Saltwash, and then I'm going to cover it the top coat.
I mixed equal parts paint and Saltwash. I suggest starting with a small amount of Saltwash and then adding a little at a time till you get the right consistency that you want. It's easy to mix up way too much paint. The consistency should be like thick frosting. I used an inexpensive chip brush to apply the paint and Saltwash mix onto the surface of the lantern. You just use a dabbing motion, and you can just do it on the edges or in any area that you want the texture to be. I chose to do it all over the surface of the lantern. I have the surface covered, and you can see the small peaks formed by the dabbing motion with the brush, and that's the look that you want. Now sand the surface lightly to smooth the texture. Clean off the dust and then apply paint. I'm using DIY weathered wood. I took my project outside and sanded it to reveal the base coat and the texture. Back inside, I used my Paint Pixie brush to apply DIY clear wax, and then I put DIY white wax over top of it. You can use clear wax as an eraser if you get too much of your white wax or a colored wax on your piece. And then you need to wipe back the white wax to get the desired effect that you want. Allow the wax to dry overnight and then buff with a soft cloth, or you can use a Paint Pixie buffer.